So we are learning how to add or how to subtract. There is no addition and subtraction separate. So we have decided yesterday there is no addition and there is no subtraction. So only there is mixing. That is called as simplification. Simplification means making simple. Making simple means if there are more numbers, we are making it a single number. That is called as simplification. So what we are going to do?
Simplification.
So simplification means it is called as addition and subtraction together. Addition and subtraction together. We are making our large numbers or more numbers into single number. That is called as simplification. So means we are making our pattern into simple. That is called as simplification. So yesterday I said that after seeing the problem, don't say answer directly. Just imagine something. What is happened there? That we have discussed already. What is happened means what? Are you going in upstairs only? No sharing today. Happy birthday to you. Don't give anybody. Come here. Don't give in classroom. Did you give in classroom? Given. We have discussed no sharing. Okay, happy birthday to you. So simplification we are making into simple. Means I said to you yesterday only, don't do the answer directly. What I said to you, where we are means up and down steps are there, that you remember. Are you going up and up, or down and down, or sometimes up to down, or sometimes down up? Like that questions will be there. Then what did I say to you? Easy method. If you are going both also same direction, then make total I say. One up and one down is there. Different directions are there. Then you find the difference I say. Okay, are you understanding? If you are in the same direction means both sides are going up, or both sides are going down. Then you make the total. Don't see the symbols. With addition or subtraction, you don't think. If you are in the same direction, you do the total. And if you are in the reverse direction, up and down directions are there, then you find the difference. Not in the book. Watch here. You find the difference. Means sometimes you need to find the total, sometimes you need to find the difference. Did I start? No. Sometimes you need to find the total, sometimes you need to find the difference. Okay. Once again I am giving some examples to you. Listen carefully. So -3, -4 I have given. So first of all, what should we do? How you are going? Down. Both are same direction, no? I said to you, no. Both are same direction means what should we find? Total. Total how many steps? 7 steps. 7 numbers. Then where we are? Down you are or up you are? Down. Because both times you are going down only. Means I am down only, no? Yes. That's why answer will be -7. Okay. So if I give like this question to you, +5 + 8.
Up and down.
Up and down. Up. Okay, directly answer, don't think. First you just think like this. After practicing you can get the practice. Up. Both times up only. Means what you have to find? Total. Total means 5 and 8 will be 13. Then where you are? You are up or down? Up means what symbol?
Plus.
So what answer you find? +13. Okay. -20 + 10.
-20.
How you are?
30.
That only I am saying. Don't do the answer.
Down, up.
First not answer. First you think it. What is happening here? We are going down and up. Reverse direction are there, no?
Yes.
Down and up. Then what did I say to you? Find the difference.
-10.
Find the difference. What is the difference between them?
Down, up.
What is the difference between them? Numbers are there. What is the difference between them? 20 and 10.
-10.
Okay. First difference you say to me. What is the difference between them? 10.
10.
Difference means how do you find? How do you find out the difference? We will do the subtraction. We will do the
Subtraction.
what is the difference between them? 10.
10.
So that 10 and where you are you up or are you down? Down. Why you are down? You see, down steps are more. Up steps are less. That's why where you are down. Which steps are more, you will be there. If down steps are more, you will be down. If up steps are more, you will be. You understand? If up steps are more, you will be up. If down steps are more, you will be
Down.
So here down steps are more. That's why I will be down. And what is the difference between them is? So think like that. First of all, don't try to say the answer. If you are going to say the answer, what you are doing, in middle what symbol is that you will do. That's why it is wrong. Don't do like that. First of all, you think it. How you are moving. Are you moving up, or down, or down, up, down? Like the situations only are there. Sometimes you will move up. Sometimes you will do down. Means what I said to you, when you are going in same direction, like this or like this, then you do the total. Then you do the total. And you find it where you are. Up means plus symbol you keep. Down means minus symbol. Otherwise, in some situations how you are, up and down will be there. Up, down, or down, up. That time what should we do? Difference you have to find. What did you find? Difference. Difference means you know that how do you find. After finding difference, you check it where you are. Up or down means up steps are more means up. Down steps are more means
Down.
down. So up steps are more means plus symbol you will keep. Down steps are more means minus symbol. Minus symbol you will keep. Okay. And you see this plus 17 minus 20. How are the real? Down. Up, down. So two are there. Then what did I say? Immediately you have to remember. We have to find the total or difference. Difference you have to find. Difference means what will come here? 20 and 17 difference. 20 and 17 difference is 3. And where you are, minus steps are more here. Means down steps are more. That's why we are down only now. That's why what will be the answer? Minus 3. So did you all understand? Once again I am saying, don't do the answer directly. You think like this. How you are moving. What are the movements are there? Up, or down. In these two situations, what should we do? We have to find the total. We have to find the total. And where we are. If both are up means I will be up only. If both are down means I will be down. Down means minus symbol, up means plus symbol. Another situation is what? Up and down, two are there. That time what should you find? Difference. After finding the difference, you have to check where you are. Which steps are more, there you are. Down steps are more, you are down. Up steps are more, you are up. By using that, you can give the symbol there. Plus or minus. Okay? So once again, some other example. Minus 50, minus 10. How they are? Down. Not answer. Answer don't want now only. First two. Up to 1 day, 2 days, like that only I have to think. Down. Means same direction. Means what should I do? Total.
60.
Total is how much? 60. Where I am? Down means what symbol? So what I will write? Minus 30 plus 50. Down, up means different directions are there. Then what should you find? Total or difference? Difference you have to find. Different means difference you think. Different means different. Different are there means you have to find difference. How much is the difference between the 50 and 30? Difference first you say. Difference is 20, no? Then after you see where you are. Here which steps are more? Down steps are less, so up steps are more. Where you will be? Up only, no? Which steps are more, you will be there. Here which steps are more?
50.
Up steps are more. That's why you will be up only. Up means what symbol? So what will be the answer? Plus 20. You are giving the symbol first one. Don't give the symbol first. First you find number. Then after where you are, you find. Okay, think like that. Then correct answer you can say. And suppose minus 30 plus 20. How these are? Up and down is there. Up and down means what did I say to you? What should we find? Difference you have to find. Difference means what will come here? 30, 20 difference. 10. No, symbol don't say first. First put 10. After that where you are, you find it. Down. Why you are down? Because down steps are more. Down steps are more. That's why I am down. Down means what symbol? The difference you found is 10. Plus 40 plus 60. Up. Both are same. Then what did I say to do? Total is how much? 100. After that where you are? Up only. Because both are up, I am also up. That's why. Minus 40 minus 20. Down. Means what should we find? Total means how much? 40, 20, total. 60. Where you are? Up or down? Because both are down, I am also down. Okay, think like this only for some times, for some days. Direct answer don't say. Think like this. So you will be habituated. Then after you will be say correct. First only if you directly if you think and say confused and you will do mistake. That's why this pattern you follow. How the pattern? How they are. What should I do? Where I am? 3 questions. How they are. Same or different? First question answer. Second, what should I do? Same direction is total. Different direction is different. Then the second question answer. Third question, where I am? Up or down? Which steps are more? I am there. Up steps are more, I am up. Down steps are more, I am down. Like the 3 questions, if you question yourself, answer will be easy. Okay? So one more question. Minus 50 plus 70. Up and down are there. First question, how they are. First question, what question I have to? How they are. Up and down. What should I do? Difference. You know that up and down means difference. What is the difference? Find difference. Difference is 20. Then next third question, what did I say? Where I am? Up. Why? Because up steps are more. That's why where I am? Up. That's why what is question? Plus 20. Plus 70 minus 30. First question. How they are?
Up and down.
Means what should I find? Difference. What is the difference? 40. Next, where I am? Up. Why? Up. That's why up. Up means what symbol? Difference. What did I find? Minus 100 minus 310. Down. First question. How they are? Down. Means what should I find? Total. What should I find? Total is how much? 40. Next question. Last question. Where I am? Down. That's why what is the answer? Plus 215 plus 125. Up means what should I do? What should I do? Difference. Total is how much? 340. 340. Here I am. Up means what symbol? What should I say? Plus 340. Okay. Clear? Do you understand question by pattern? What are the questions you are going to ask? First question, how they are. Second question, what should I do? Third question, where I am. Okay, first question, how they are. How they are means you will get different ideas. Up or down.
Up and down.
So up or down means we should find total. Up and down means we should find.
Different.
Then third last question, where I am. Where I am means if the up steps are more, we are up. If down steps are more, we are
Down.
okay. Think like that. Okay. So in this simplification pattern, sometimes we will see the symbol beside again one more symbol. The situations I will show you afterwards. Sometimes we will watch, we will find two symbols side by side. So you see like this example. Minus 20, I kept in bracket. Minus plus 30 I have given that. This is a question I have given me. So normally you know the method, when the two numbers are there, easily we can do it. But here you see this for 30 two symbols are there. One is plus 2, one is
Minus.
for this only one symbol is there, okay. So you can think it is down. But here what is happening here? Two symbols are there. Yes or no? One plus one minus two symbols are there. Then which one I have to think? It is up or down? You will be confused further. So that's why when the two symbols are there, we can convert the two symbols into one symbol. We can convert the two symbols into
One symbol.
How do you convert two symbols into one symbol? I will explain, listen carefully. Okay, that is same pattern already what you have learned, that only I am writing here, just you have to be right. Two symbols means minus and minus is there, suppose. Minus and one more symbol minus. Two symbols like that can work. Minus and minus side by side. When it is only side by side. So here this one symbol not like that. This minus belongs to 30, this plus belongs to 20, no problem here. Sometimes what will happen for one number only, two symbols will be. For one number only,
Two symbols.
then what should we do means, you see here, what are the choices are there you see. Sometimes minus can come. Sometimes plus can come. Sometimes plus minus can come. Sometimes minus plus can come. There are the different choices, no? Sometimes minus will be there. Sometimes you can find plus and plus. Sometimes you can find plus and minus. Sometimes you can find minus and.
Yes.
Then you think, yes, just now I said to you know, up and up, down and down, what you will do? Up and down. When you go up and up, down and down, what should we find? Total no. That's why this is down and down. We should find total no.
Yes.
Total means plus symbol. Up and up, what should we find? Total means what symbol? Up and down. Different means what symbol? Down and up. What should we find? Difference. Difference means what symbol? So you have to remember. You understand? Now after remembering that, you can do the calculation. When two symbols are there, we will convert into one symbol. When two symbols are there, then we will convert into
One symbol.
After converting one symbol, you know the method. Okay. Now I will show some problems to you. See here. So you understand? Minus and minus will become plus and plus will become plus and minus will become minus and plus will become. Remember always. By heart it. Remember when it is not always. When two symbols side by side are. When two symbols side by side we are finding, then convert the two symbols into one symbol by using this methodology. What is that? Minus and minus will become plus. Plus and plus will become plus. Plus and minus will become minus. Minus and plus will become minus. Remember like that, simple. You see minus 3 minus 4 is my question. First of all, what you will write? Here two symbols are there. First what you have to do? You have to convert into one symbol. Not like that. Simple. One symbol. After that answer. Directly you can't find answer here. Because what is the problem? For one number, two symbols are there.
Yes.
So that's why first of all you have to convert into one symbol. See, first one, here one symbol only is there. No problem. But here two symbols are there. What are they? Minus, minus. You have minus and minus will become
Plus.
minus and minus will become plus.
Plus.
So what should I write here? Plus, plus 4. Now the problem is in your ideal. How they are? You went there. Don't say answer directly. I said first how they are.
Down and up.
Down and up. Then what should we find? Different. What is the difference between them?
One.
Where we are?
Up.
Because up steps are more now.
Yes.
Where we are? Up. That's why what is answer? Plus. Okay. This answer we can do directly. Here what is the problem for us? Because two symbols are there for one number. That's why I am calculating. Then I converted that into single symbol. No. Then we can do. So one more question. Minus 8 minus plus 3. So what should we do? Can you do direct here? What is the problem? Two symbols are. First we have to make into one symbol now. First one you see, one symbol only is there.
Minus 8.
For second one, two symbols are there. What is that? Minus to plus 2. We practice here. Minus plus will become minus. So what you write here? Minus 3. Then old method. What is our method now? How they are? How they are? Down down. What should we find? Total. What is the total? 11. Where we are? Down is what symbol? Answer is what? Okay. First of all, we are when the two symbols are there, we are converting into one symbol. After that, same method we are following. See, 18 plus minus 30. Okay, first two. Here also two symbols are there. You can't do directly now. What you write first two? Very good. Nothing is there means what symbol? Plus 18. Here two symbols are there. Plus minus. Here is what? Come keep there. Plus minus what will come? So that's why I am saying you have to be by heart this. You have to by heart this. Minus plus. Plus minus to plus also minus. Remember like that. Okay? And here minus is there. Plus and minus will become minus 30. Now question. First what you will question yourself? How they are? What should we find? 30 and 18 difference. 12. Where you are? Now because down steps are more. That's why we are down. That's what is the answer. Minus. Okay. 25 minus 10.
Plus 25
Plus 25
Both are same.
up and up. Is what should we find? Total is how much?
35.
Here we are. Up means what symbol? So plus. Okay, do you understand this? Okay, write it now. Write that symbol, ideology, and this example. Okay, all of you take the textbook, page number 78. Do this. Minus 7 plus 8. These are all same method. Can you do it or not? Minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 minus 2. Plus 7 minus 10. Questions are there here? You have to write them in the notebook and then you have to do it. Same method understood? No, same method. What is that here? Minus 7 minus 8. So first what have to think? How they are? Means what should we find? How much is the difference here? 1. Where we are? Up to. Because up steps are more. That's why we are up. That's why what is the answer? Like that. -3 -2. How they are? Means what should we find? Total how much? Where we are? Okay, what is the answer? -5. Can you do like that? This bit, keep that bit, do this bit. Page number 78, do this bit. And next thing, one more is there. Try this is there. Can you see here? Page number 79, try this. What is the first question you see here? -3 plus 5. First of all, your brackets are there, no? That's why you do one thing. First, what you write without brackets, you write it. Then you will understand easy. -3 means what is that? -3 only one symbol only is there. Plus 5. But here is asking to you do by using the number line. You do this way. Because this is the heading. Using number line. Using number line means you know that no, you write number line. What is the number line? You know that you write like this. How the number line? Where is the 0? 0 in middle. +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, +8, +9. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now by using number line, first number is what? -3. What is this number? -3. So there you have to keep finger here. Next number. +5 means you know that which side you have to move. +5 means which side you have to move. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? There up and down steps are there? No. Like that it is. Plus means right side, minus means
left side.
You see that is same questions are there in exercise 6.3. 6.3. Some questions are there. You see here. First bit. What is the first bit? Add the following integers using number line. Add the following integers using page number 80. Page number 80 exercise. In try this only 2 problems only are there. And here some questions are down also are there. No, -5 plus -5 plus 6. If you try this totally 5 questions are there. These all questions you do by using number line only. And in that exercise also there are 6 questions are there. These also you do by using the number line. These questions in page number 79, 5 questions are there. Page number 79, 5 questions. These all you should do by using the number line. Can you do or not? And one more, in the exercise, in the page number 80, first bit 6 questions are there. This one example I am saying. You see the 5th one in this. What is the 5th question in this? -3 plus -8 plus -5. Like this given. First of all, I said to you when the 2 symbols are there, you can change it now. Or change and write first. One symbol only is there. -3. Here 2 symbols are there. Plus to minus. Plus to minus means you know that. Plus to minus, minus symbol, only one symbol. Plus to minus again. Minus. Now how do you use the number line? Now by number line. First number. We are at -3 first. 3 means I will keep here, correct? Then 3 by I am saying. -3. Next what should we do? -8. Means where we are down up are there. Here what are there? Left side. Left side how many steps? 8 steps. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means up to -11 you go now. Then after again -5 again. Means where should we go again? Left side only. How many steps? 5 steps. Means here -11 is there. minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where we are?
Minus
The
16.
answer will be?
Minus 16.
Can you do like that?
Yes.
You understand? By using the number line, can you do? Number line very easy. First number we will go there. Plus means you will move right side. Minus means you will move.
Left side.
Plus means right
Right
side.
side.
Minus means.
Left side.
Okay, one more example you see here. I will say that minus 1 plus 7 plus minus 3. First remove the brackets. It will be easy to you. Remove the brackets. No, say
Minus
1
plus 7.
plus 7. Two symbols are there. Plus minus will become minus. So minus 3. Now read it first one. Where we are first to? Minus 1. We keep the finger at minus 1. Next plus 7.
Right
Right side 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next minus 3.
Left side.
Left side. How many steps?
3.
3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? Plus
3.
okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Can you do like that?
Yes.
This is all you have to do by using number line. Which bit? Page number, that is page number 79, 5. Page number 80, first bit all 6 problems. Second bit you have to do directly. Can you do it or not?
Yes.
Brackets are there. Remove brackets without using number line. Direct answer.
Yes, sir.
First remove the brackets. After that, your method is there. How they are? What should I do? Where I am? Like that, think and write. Okay, can you do it or not?
Yes.
Huh? Okay, third bit, fourth bit, I will say tomorrow, leave it. Then you come back to the page number 82. In 82 also there are some questions here. Do this. 6 questions are there in do this.
Yes.
Page number 82. Have you seen page number 82 question?
Yes.
Page number 82. Do this. See what is the question here? Minus 5 minus 3. How do you write it? One example I am saying. Minus 5. Here two symbols are there. Minus and minus will become plus 3. Again same method. How they are? Which what should we find? What is the difference between them? 2. Where we are? That's why what is the answer? See, if you think like that, no confuse. You can do very well. Okay, do you understand? Okay, can you do this all bit? And same in the exercise 6.4. First bit can you do? Okay, tick them up. So what is the homework for you now? Page number 78, do this 4 questions. 79, 5 problems by using number line. Then page number 80, first bit and second bit. First bit number line, second bit direct. And page number 82, do this 6 problems direct. Next, page number 6.4. Page number 6.4, first bit direct. Okay, these are homeworks. Now you start to do it. You start now. If you have doubt, you ask me. I will explain.